So if you are having a PlayStation, you will be facing a lot of problems in day-to-day life, and one of the problems you will be facing is closing the PlayStation properly after you have played the games in there. So definitely PlayStation comes with a really good mode, that is sleep mode, and another mode that is to power off the PlayStation. But most of the people, what they do is they press the power button to close the PlayStation, but all it does is going to the rest mode. So in this video we will see how we can properly close the PlayStation, not via the TV but pressing the power button, and that can save a lot of time, because every time your TV goes into sleep mode, you don't need to go to TV and again PlayStation and close the PlayStation from there, but you can just press the power button properly to close the PlayStation. Or if you want, you can even bring the PlayStation into the rest mode, and the rest mode is very important to install games and obviously charge up the controllers and everything. So both the modes are really important, and we will see how we can close the PlayStation properly without corrupting the games in there. So definitely this will be a sick video guys, and if you are a tech, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So when it comes to PS5, you will be able to see that there is a standby mode and also a power off mode. But when you use the standby mode, obviously your PS5 will not be closing properly. So if I want to just turn off the PS5, you will be able to see that I need to click on this and first log out, and then I will be getting the option of turning it off from this power button. But there will be three options. One is the enter rest mode, turn off PS5 and restart PS5. But obviously if you are looking to just keep the PS5 idle for some time, it will go to rest mode, and then once you are back in the TV, it is very important to close the PS5 properly. But for that you need to again come to TV and do all the steps which are required, like logging out, and obviously after log out you will be getting the option of turning off the PS5. But the most important thing is, without even touching the TV, if it is in rest mode, you can just close the PS5 or turn off the PS5. And for that you need to just follow this. So what you need to do, from the console button only, you have to make sure you press the console button properly for a few seconds. So if I am pressing it one time, it will go to sleep mode, but I will just press and hold the console power button, and here you can see the PS5 is turning off. And this is how you actually turn off the PS5 if you are looking to turn off the PS5. And make sure the light actually goes completely off. After that only you have to switch it off from the power source. So this is how you need to turn off the PS5 if you are looking to turn it off without logging into the TV and using the PlayStation power off button. I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day.